Car. I drive my car to work. Truck. The truck is carrying heavy boxes. Bus. We take the bus every morning. Van. The van delivers groceries to our home. Motorcycle. He rides his motorcycle fast. Bicycle. I like to ride my bicycle in the park. Scooter. She goes to school on a scooter. Tractor. The farmer uses a tractor in the field. Trailer. They attached a trailer to the truck. Ambulance. The ambulance arrived quickly at the accident. Fire truck. The fire truck rushed to put out the fire. Police car. The police car stopped the speeding driver. Taxi. I took a taxi to the airport. Minibus. The minibus is full of passengers. Coach bus. The coach bus travels long distances. School bus. Children wait for the school bus in the morning. Jeep. They drove the Jeep through the mountains. Bulldozer. The bulldozer is clearing the construction site. Excavator. The excavator digs deep holes in the ground. Forklift. The worker moves boxes with a forklift. Cement mixer truck. The cement mixer truck is pouring concrete. Dump truck. The dump truck is carrying sand. Garbage truck. The garbage truck comes every Monday. Tow truck. The tow truck helped move the broken car. Snowplow truck. The snowplow truck cleared the road. Oil tanker truck. The oil tanker truck delivered fuel. Water tanker truck. The water tanker truck brings water to the village. Delivery van. The delivery van dropped the package at my door. Cargo truck. The cargo truck transports goods to the market. Horse carriage. Tourists enjoy rides in a horse carriage. Rickshaw. He rides a rickshaw in the busy city. Cart. They pulled a cart full of fruits. Handcart. The vendor carries vegetables on a handcart.